feeling there's no spark. It's gonna feel, I can smell it. No oil leak, that's good. I think an ignition is happy. Ah, that hurts. Okay, let's see. I can't see that plug over there. Oh, you bastard. There it goes. It's got a spark. At least on one cylinder. Ah! Ooh, that fucking hurts. Yeah, I just wonder why it wouldn't have any spark. It does. Ah, why is it not lighting off? Should light. It's got fuel, I can smell it. Definitely not going to fire. That's very surprising. It acts like there's no spark. It's got good compression, so we know the motor's physically good. Why is it not firing? That is the question. Saw spark, that means it has power. It was flashing, that means the module was working. Let's check down here to make sure this light is, it's got to be have power to it. Yep, definitely got power to it. Should have, we only got spark in one cylinder. Nothing else would have fired at one. Don't know why it's not firing. It's weird. Smell the fuel in it. I have no idea why it's not running. There should be no reason not to be running. Absolutely not. Over-revved it, flooded the valve, and hit the spark plug tips. I don't know. Seemed like it had compression. Usually when you hear sucking noises, it's got compression. Spark plug how it's running down the track. The gapping tool looks good. A fingernail goes between it and the top of the plug, so there's a big gap in there. Looks like it's firing good. I knew it was running good. There's no doubt about that. it looks even cleaner. It's good. Big gap in it.
Fucking shit, man.
Let's see if we got sparky. Let's see. Where's the on button? Ah. Ah. A good spark. That was called good compression, if you heard it. Yeah, it's got good compression. That's a pretty hard pop there. Well, it's got everything except it's not running. Tells me it needs more fuel. Got spark, time right, got compression up the ass, so that means physical compression of the motor's good, or the quality of the motor's good. So when it's not working, there's no fuel in it, I guess. So there's fuel in there, but I don't know. Smell like there was fuel. Leaking fuel. Alright. Ah, it hurts. Okay. Pull the air cleaner off. That's going to be fun to do. Let's see, turn the ignition off. There we go. Ignition's off. Ah. I can't turn a wrench to go use the impact knocker to get the air cleaner off. Ah! Hit my thumb first thing. It's alright, it was the broken one. Oh, it's good on the shoulder. Oh yeah. Oh, that feels great. Oh yeah. Ah. The air cleaner's been working, see? Dirt in there. There you go. All cleaned out. There, that was working good. Oh, all right. Oh, that hurts. Okay. See, usually I run air filters on my bike, but see, it's almost no dirt on the inside. All the dirt coming out of the air cleaner. See how the dirt just powering up into here? That's raw dirt here. See? Rocks falling out. Yeah, looks like it did its job. A couple chunks on the inside, but not too bad. Alright. My throttle cable go. No auxiliary pump. And if you notice, the inside of the carburetor appears to be dry. That tells me it's not getting any fuel in it.